I'm gonna go ahead and start this tutorial with my eyebrows done. That way this video will not take forever. So we're gonna go ahead and prep our eyelids with the same MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. Use my Laura Mercier powder, and I'm just gonna go ahead and set my lids with a little bit of powder. Okay, so for this makeup tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and be using this color right here, which is a peach color from the Sephora Pro palette. And I'm just gonna start off by doing this outer corner. I'm mainly focusing on this outer corner right here and then bringing it into my eyelid. Okay, so now that we have this corner nice and bold with this peach color, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this little metallic shadow glitter. I bought this metallic shadow glitter at Mexico, and I love it. It was only about like 50 cents, which is pretty amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a flat brush. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this color on the rest of my eyelid. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the other eye. And we're just gonna go ahead and do the same thing. We're gonna get that peach color, put it in the outer corner of our eyelid. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and grab that metallic color again. I'm gonna go ahead and get my white eyeliner. Now we're just gonna go ahead and put on some foundation. So I am trying a sample from the Kat Von D foundation. I used to use this in the past actually, and I stopped wearing it for about a year, and so I want to make sure that I still like it, so I got a foundation. So I'm going to be using this foundation today because I'm going to go for breakfast with one of my friends, and then I'm going to go to the gym. And so if you guys didn't know, one of the hardest things for me to do is wear fake lashes. I do not like to wear fake lashes. I think it is so uncomfortable. I love how they look, but I don't like how they feel. I am not used to this foundation anymore. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and put another layer. I love the coverage, but I don't like that it is so dry. It is so hard to blend. Okay. I'm not gonna bake because this is something super simple. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush on some powder to set that concealer. And I am not gonna be using any bronzer today because, as you guys can see, this is a peachy look. So I'll be right back. This blush right here, and this is from the Too Faced Eggnog Latte little kit, and this is a holiday kit as well. And so this is called Peach Cobbler, which is a little orangey. I'm also going to be putting some of that color Moonstone right here in my tear duct. I'm gonna get some mascara now that we have the bottom peachy color. Okay, so now we're going to be using this Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is in the color Orange Shot. Okay, so I love this lipstick because it is so thin. You don't even feel like you have any lipstick on. Our eyebrows. I'm gonna put a little bit of white shadow on the top. So that is pretty much everything for the makeup. I am gonna go ahead and do my hair real quick, and I will be back with you guys so you guys can see the finished look. I will be right back. So I finally did my hair. This is the complete finished look for this beautiful, simple, fancy makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you guys can see, this is super easy makeup to do. You don't have to put any fake lashes on, anything super extravagant, but it still looks beautiful. So I hope you guys liked it. If you guys have any questions, any comments, put them in the description box below, and I will talk to you guys at the next video. Bye guys.